WXXV's Wild Wonders, brought to you by the Mississippi Aquarium.
Well, welcome back, guys, here in South Mississippi. We are again here for Wild Wonders on Monday, and we're looking at some pretty interesting things today. A little coral action going on, and I am here with Dr. Alexa.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for meeting me and talking about coral, which we have some right here. This is a new exhibit for the museum, right?
This is a new exhibit, and this is actually the finale of the exhibit, because it's kind of a wandering one with multiple pieces. But here our guests get to see this coral that's found in the deep Gulf.
Okay, well, I understand why coral is important for fish and for the biosphere as a whole, but why is it important to us?
It's really important to us, especially this kind in the deep Gulf, because we so rely on the seafood industry here, and a lot of the coral provides habitat for those little tiny baby fish or baby crustaceans.
And they're very colorful as well, fun to look at. What's the danger for the coral?
The reason we have this whole thing is because the coral in the Gulf were impacted by the Deepwater Horizon oil spill, and so all of this work is part of restoration work to make that habitat better and restore it after that tragedy. So oil spills, obviously, this coral is so deep that most people don't actually reach it ever. That's why it's so special that you can come here and see it.
It's pretty special. It looks really good too. What types of coral do we have in there?
Right now we have 3 species. The orange ones are called Swiftia. The white one is called Mauricia.
And the purple one?
The purple one, way in the back, that's Athesia. And then we also have fish that are found in these deep habitats with them.
Yeah, you pointed out one to me I didn't even know, the batfish. It almost looks like a frog the way it kind of sets up at the bottom. So very cool to see all the colors here. Why is it important that we maintain these corals and make sure that we keep them going kind of like you guys are here?
These corals are really important for the whole ecosystem, so they help have nursery and also for little baby animals that are growing in the Gulf. When they spawn, some animals eat their eggs that they release when they're trying to reproduce, and they're important fish habitats. You can see that the fish are kind of hiding amongst them. So they're just really important for the whole ecosystem of the Gulf.
Like a big sociological place for the fish to hang out and socialize and things like that. Well, very cool. Is there anything we can do to help mitigate coral destruction as people?
Yeah, we can practice good, sustainable fishing practices. We can make sure that we don't throw trash into the ocean and into the Gulf. Clean up after yourselves. And then you can come here and learn more about them and see what you can do and learn how wonderful they are.
Well, very cool. I've enjoyed my time with it. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks.
And you be sure to join us for the next Wild Wonders.